And I have already played this before a little bit. As you can see, yes, I was playing it a little bit just then. Yeah, apart from that, I have been grinding on the grind. And now, look at these bad boys. Not bad, it's just there. Look at this. Diamond, gold. I just wanna... But I have to save it up. Save it up. Save it up. Save it up. Ooh. Save it up. Save it up. And today I'm going to be bringing in something special. Whenever you hear this word in the comment section, wherever you hear this word in the video, write it down in the comment section below. Whenever you hear the word crackers in my video, starting from now, in any of my videos, if you find it in Pet Sim, I will give you one of my pets. And then type down your Roblox name. Type down your Roblox name. And then type down Pet Sim X as well. Crackers, your Roblox name, and Pet Sim X. Okay? That's just a quick thing to say before I start to get with any of the good stuff. So what we are doing today is we are going to be getting this quest done for, if you didn't know, Black Bear. What's now? I demand you tell me that. No. Yeah, and I am currently trying to do this. How many do I have? Whee! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need 2 more. I need to discover music, demon, and then I've can summon a special sprout. And FYI, if you didn't know, this is going to be really hard, so I'll leave you here for a sec. I'm back. Oh yes, and I'm back again. So let's continue on with what we were doing before. I can't remember. Holy crackers. Yeah. Is that the good? Holy crackers. Bruh. I can't even reach that. I'm a noob. Even though I've been playing for months, I'm a full noob. I am a full noob. Hey, dog. Oh, yeah, my dog. It's just over there. I like doing that. So I got the thing Inspire times 2 poem for 0 seconds. Convert array. And right now, let's abandon this for right now. Right now. Because I don't want anyone knowing about this. Sorry. I do want people knowing about this actually, sorry. Nice thinking. That's something else that I don't want you knowing. Num num num. Sorry, I forgot to press F6 for you guys. Yeah. So you guys can hear. Yeah, but right at the moment, as we hear, I'm just going to run away from this werewolf because he is not scary. He's an idiot. One of the things I will be calling werewolves is hair wolves. Hair. Because they're hairy. Okay, make sure in mind that that is what you do. Okay. Is that number so? Oh, okay. 1326. Hopefully I can record tomorrow, so keep your eyes peeled for any new vids. Bruh. What? Sorry about that. Oh look, I got the junior sunflower. One more sec. Come on, guys. Come on. Need some hope. What? So what? Huffet Sniffer. Help, then. Okay. Oh yeah, he's almost there. Oh, real quick. What do you think about this? See if he wants to. A rare. The check. Little egg. Mushroom. That should just about. And what we are trying to do right now is we are this bada bing, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Yep. So now, goodbye.